What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick video, I'll be taking you through the new Battening Down quest in Arc Raiders. For this, we'll need to photograph cracks forming on the seawall, sample a shoreline, and fix the leaking oil pipe. Let's get to it. For these quests, you don't need anything special, so head across to Riventides in any game mode. On the Riventides map, we'll head across to the Wavebreaker area in the northeast side of the map, as well as, once we're done there, just above the Azuro Beach. You might be able to do this in a different order, so depending on where you spawn is where we'll go first, but it's all on the north side of this map. Starting off by the Wavebreaker, you'll see there's two massive pipes on the far northeast side. Right over here they poke out of the ground, and that's exactly where we're heading. All the way over here we can run across, and we should be able to interact to repair the pipeline, and if you still need, there's some mushrooms next to it. There you go. Then, as you're running along this wall, you'll eventually find little crack spots where we can take photos. There are multiple of these across the entire length of this wall. I'm right over here, looks like there's another one right here, and there's another one over here, at least to Mark 3. There should be more possibly on the other side, but most of them I assume you'll find on this northern side. Once you approach one of them, you can take the photo and tick off that part of the quest. Now all we need to do is head across to the far west side of the map, where we'll find the Azuro Beach and hopefully some seaweed along the shore here. Zooming into this dam over here, right exactly where I am, is where you should find this, a small little interaction point where we can interact with the seaweed that's here in order to tick off this part of the quest. It seems like there's a bit of this that exists around this area, but this is the only one that I'm able to interact with. Maybe yours will be slightly different. And with that, we've successfully finished Battening Down. All we need to do now is extract and get back. Once you've extracted, you can hand in this quest. So, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.